7-Eleven Hunt Mini World. Okay, let's see the first one. Genting Highland Hunt. Mini World. Second item. Uy! Hindi nga.
Cereal.
Bauda pasta.
Pasta farfalle.
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 Farfalle. Uy! Cup noodles.
Green
Hindi.
peas.
Green peas. Cute. And the last one is laging sa 3 items. Uy! Galing ah, boba. Ang cute! Duman. Oh, may boba. May label pa siya. Ayun. Para saan yung sticker kung may naka sa likod? Ha? Nalagyanan sa likod? Walking while unboxing. Okay, so we got it's the catalog. So we don't know what's inside. And we got what's this? Cooking oil. Oh, cup. Oy, what's this? Cereal? Oy, vanilla cake. Yeah. Vanilla cake. Nice. So, ito yung ano niya. Ano siya?
Label.
Cooking oil.
Mm-hmm.
The other one is flour, so you can bake. Sakto sa'yo. Nice. First one. First one.